guys, I Swindon Goa day. For that I get by perform kota. And the performance I म्हणून we are going to have she's first time performing on the stage. And I'm going to say I'm getting some guys performing some more shows. I'm going to capture as much as I can. Alright, let's see this what's happening now.
Hello friends, so today it's Goa Day and I'm gonna perform in the stage my violin and I'm super excited. And I'm also gonna perform in my group that is right behind me.
Get you excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
The first time for Angel to perform for Goa Day.
very hard, but as you see, we don't really get enough space, but I think they have done all right for you guys, okay? So thanks. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Ina
Welcome. So guys, घारे येयलो परत येयलो परत सारको हिंगा गोवाडे आसन आयज गोवाडे स्विडनर मुगे फर्स्ट बेगी येयले कित्याकू first of all तुमकां सांगू I was very proud to see Angel performing. That's like individually like तेश कोन गेलो पळय with the talent of that she's learning. तेगे first time म्हणल्यार तुवें stage performance. She's been on stage before. केले तेणें performance कॉला performance बी जाता तेश कोन. Social gathering activities are like like associations and all when they perform and they conduct this kind of organization. I think so this is the first time that Angel has got this kind of opportunity through her music school that she was able to go. And she doesn't know very well put it in the confident level that she had and the way she wanted to go. And I think it that open string so it was a very great moment for me. कित्याक तुगे भुरग्या ते चोवपाक कितली उमेद भोगतली आनी अनफॉर्च्युनेटली नादिया कुड नॉट कम बिकॉज नादिया काम करताले सांगला इट वॉज आमगेल्यान रॉंग जालें कित्याक आमकां खबर नासली हें केन्ना आहा पळय तें आनी हांव वॉज सेयिंग लायक 22 तारीख कितें करतालो सो पयलो 12 तारखेर आहलोले इट वॉज बिकॉज चड कामां आसता कितें आसता डेट बरोवन दवरता उगडास उरना एक फावटी आनी शी मिस्ड आउट बट एनीवेज तो जाता ते भशेन केला आनी येयले बेगी म्हणल्यार इट वॉज टू हॉट तेगे स्टार्ट जालें 2 सुमारू आनी 2 सावन हांव थिंगा तेका घेवन भोंवता कोत्ता तेका मातशें हेडो येयलो कितें खावपाक जाय तें दिलें तेका बट स्टील आय कुड नॉट बेर इट चड मागीर एशे चड लोक तेन्ना कोणा सोन आहलोले आमी गेले तेन्ना कोणा सोन व्हेरी फ्यू क्रावड वोदे पूण मागीर हांव गेले उपरांत भरून क्रावड थिंगा सारको देयर वर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इट वॉज लॉट ऑफ फन it was really good music. आयकोलें की जायते एश कोन परफॉर्मन्स इन बँडांनी वाजयले आनी इट वॉज रियली नायस द बेस्ट थिंग इज लायक पीपल गो टू ते आपणाक वच्चेच दिसनी वेन बँड कोंकणी कातरां वाजयताय वेन यू सी your friends after a long time or you see your neighbors आमी गोंय धाकटें and you have a lot of people who are scattered around. So when people come and you also hear my hover it feels good. So in that contest, I'm a subscriber meditating. Tracy, I suppose, yeah, Tracy her name was. And she came in eventually she helloed and she said like she watches kids and she get a lot of love. Kisha orona like kisha tarken bubble gum butte. So very nice. Overall सगळें अशें बरें आहलोलें पूण म्हाका थिंगा रावपा ना हांव एक्चुअली फूल कवर करपाक वतालो आनी तुमी जाणा आय एम हाफ सोल वेन आय गो माय सेल्फ विदाउट माय बेटर हाफ म्हणटा तेश करून. सो गायज आय विल मीट यू वेरी सून हो व्लॉग एन्जॉय कराय आनी नेक्स्ट व्लॉग आनीक पळय येतलो तुमकां आनी कितें सांगो जाय आमगे कोणा मेळटलो ओके. Till then, stay tuned. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.